Hi, let's talk about combining group work. You have different folders, published folders from your group members, and you want to combine them into one project. So in the previous video I have combined files, but most of the time when you have group projects, your group member is going to supply you a particular folder along with a lot of assets inside there. So those assets are linked together to that one particular HTML file. Let's look through how we can link those files together. So I've got a project over here, an animation project from one of your classmates, and I'm going to publish her work. Right? I'm going to publish into a folder. Excuse me. Let me just go into that folder for now. Combine. I'm going to take this path. I'm going to publish over here. Let's see. Assume that this is a combined location. Okay, I'm going to publish my work locally. I'm going to put it under here. I'll give you a name of, let's say, Yin Yi, because that's her work. Publish. Publish locally. So I'm going to come over here and see that, hey, this is the published work from Yin Yi. So first thing is I'm going to extract it. So once extracted, you can see the content here. You have all the files. Let me just put into a list view so it's easier. You can see all the files here, all the assets. They must not be detached from index.html. Let me just arrange them, sort them out. So you have that main file index.html, and you have all the assets over here. And those assets are being linked up to this index.html, you see. So let's explore this structure and see how we want to combine them later. So what I wanted is to use this start.html, and from start.html I'm going to navigate into yinyi.index.html, the project file over here, and from Yinyi's file I want to navigate into member2. Alright, let me just explain this. First of all, we have combine. We will start from here. Then we will navigate to index.html. And then from index.html, I'm going to navigate to my animation.html, which is this one. Member 2, yeah, just assume that this is a proper project, a proper group contribution. So first thing is start, then come to index, then come to my animation. Now before we even try to do anything, it's important to know that this refers to the current folder. Okay? And if you want to go into a subfolder of the current, then you will use / and then the folder name goes to the subfolder. For example, I'm right now in I'm right now in start. I want to navigate to index.html, right? I'm now in the combined folder because you can see that start is inside of combined folder, yes? So from combined folder, I'm going to navigate into Yinyi folder, subfolder, with the targeted file of index.html. Therefore, I will write / current folder, navigate into Yinyi folder, and target that particular file. This is how you should think. Current folder, navigate to subfolder, and then the file inside. Let's try. Let's try this first step now. Inside of my combine, I'm going to edit and simply put in the script. Okay, for the case of you starting from another project, we'll talk about how to insert that one later, but it should be around the same idea. Okay, so location, replace, as you can see, navigate to the current folder, the subfolder yinyi of the current, and then go into index.html inside of yinyi. All right, so that will get us to this. Now let's have a look. I should come here. So it should bring me directly into yinyi's index.html area. Yes, so it launches. So that will be a good start. Now, look at this one later. Now, yeah, I'll put it into part 2 how we navigate from within, how we navigate from here to another folder. Okay, so yeah.